Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a trading model using Sentinel AI system in PropTracker HQ. Now, you've got a section under Sentinel here where you go dashboard, live sessions, images, blah, 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 blah. So you go into the section, yes, called Sentinel. You go into chat. In this section, you can paste your strategy. And in this section, you can answer questions regarding like your model and stuff. And it gives you examples over here what to answer. So I'm just going to move straight into it. So once you answer these questions, you go next, and then it creates the model for you in this middle section there. Now in the chat section, you paste it there and you click send, and then it creates this for you here. Now I just used ChatGPT to create the silver bullet model, and I pasted it there, and this is the model that it came up with. So I'm just going to go generate plan just for speed. So once that's done, it takes you to the dashboard area, and then this is your template that is just created. Now in this section here, you can go modify, and you can change all your checklist information. Yeah, so this is all your checklist stuff. So you can modify this, you can change it, you can delete lines or whatever. So you go save changes, and once you do that, you go, let's say we on Wednesday now, and you drag your session onto the Wednesday, onto the day you're trading. And you can also do multiple sessions and models. So if you trade silver bullet at 10 a.m., but you've also got like a closing, like the hour close or something model, or London model or anything else, you can add that on, and it will give you a separate line and show you your progress for that model that day. And once you click on the day and you drag the template onto the day, it will come up with a checklist over here. So you just check up all the stuff that you've done for the day, and then it will give you a progress bar here at the top. So basically now we've done 39% of our rules. So let's keep adding some more here. This is just an example, obviously. And that's 57% for the day. And once that's, you can also manually, you can type notes over here, emotions, summary, achievements, mistakes, lessons learned, and then this will go into like a review system, an AI review system. Or you could go to live trading. Now this is what I really like about this. You can go into this section here, you go live trading, you say, I'm looking at a hourly chart on M&Q and I see a fair value gap forming. I will scale down to a 5-minute chart for an entry, and then a run to buy side liquidity. So you just say any behaviors over here in the section, and then the AI system will give you a status green, you're doing well. Behavior, you're following a systematic approach, which is good. However, ensure you stick to your rules when you're scaling down to 5-minute chart. So it just gives you a quick warning, quick update, like, yes, cool, that's fine. Or you can say, I had a serious case of road rage and I got out the car and punched someone's window and now I'm home and looking to trade big contracts because yesterday was a losing day. Excuse the spelling, but AI knows. So now it gives you a red status straight away. You're coming off a highly emotional incident indicating a volatile state of mind. You had a losing day yesterday, which has influenced your desire to trade aggressively. Now this is complete behavior. This is classic revenge trading. You're trying to recover losses from high risk trades. See how it changes. So once that's done for the day, say I didn't take the trades, I listened, but I'm looking at the hourly close now and will trade 1 micro contract. See how it goes to amber because you're still basically, you're still in an emotional state because of the day. So it's going down to amber, but it's not green. So you got red, green, and amber. Red is obviously the worst, amber middle, and green good to go. So let's end the session there. Now, what's also awesome is this. Now you go save chat to journal, and then you go back to the template area, and then look how it fills out all your information over here. So lessons learned. It's crucial to maintain emotional control and adhere to trading rules, especially after a loss, etc., etc., etc. So it pulls out all your information in the chat and it files it out here for you. So you go save as, you go complete for the day. Let's say you made a profit. The profit turns green, and completed turns green. And if you got a losing day, it will give you a red X on the day, so you can just see on the calendar what you've done, etc. Now this is also your chat history, so it gives you the time that you've been in the chat, and then you can continue if you come up by mistake. So let's end the day there. So you go save, and then you go get Sentinel review. This has saved, it's just a bug. So it gives you a summary of your journal entries and your checklist information. So it's finished the day, the status red, critical items unchecked. So this is what we've not checked for the day. So your overall score is 39%. Session breakdown, what you've done according to your checklist. And that's basically a top strengths. And yeah, that's it. So once that's done, it files everything into a review section. So you go on daily, all the information will be on every single day. And then you can go, if you've done more than 2 days in a week, you can go to a weekly review and you can create a Sentinel review on the week, and then it also gives you the calendar for the week, and it gives you your performance for that week too. So your win rate, etc., from your trading stats and business overview. So that's that for Sentinel. I hope you guys do well with this and use it. And yeah, I think it's amazing how it keeps everything in check. Now, there's also a section where you've got an overview on psychology, statistics, and stuff. This is currently work in progress, and it will be up soon. And this brings in information from your chat sessions too. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope this helps you a lot. Cheers, guys.